I was unemployed for a while, and then working with the job centre, I managed to find out about this course and took it as soon as I could.
Universal Credit let me know about it basically the same way. I'd been unemployed for about a month, and they said, there's a course going, are you interested in this kind of thing? I said yeah, and put me straight on it.
I'd been employed up until this summer, and when my job ended I was told about the course at the job centre and it sounded interesting, so I booked on it and I ended up here.
Basically mag welding, quite a bit of fabrication, just generally how to use all the machines that you'd need to use in a factory environment, just getting that basis down.
There's also been a bit of classroom work where we've learnt about the signs on plans and things for fabricating and all the health and safety as well.
I would be on a sector-based academy at the airport, probably baggage handling, something like that. Or I'd have probably just gone into another retail job straight away, something very similar to what I was doing, before. So
I'm not really sure what I'd be doing because the job I'd been in was quite a narrow market, and because that's finished, that's why I went to the job centre to see what sort of opportunities there was. So this has been ideal to sort of find me something that I can go back into, because I did engineering years ago. It's like a refresher and bringing me back up to speed on today's technologies.
I'd probably still be job seeking, because I'm finding it very difficult to find work, which is one of the reasons I was sent on the course.
I've found that the tutors have been really good, really helpful, and it's been a really good group of lads who's been on this course together. We've really got on well together and had a really good time, and some good work's been made between us.
Yeah, the tutors are definitely all right. They've got different styles and that, but they all get you to get the job done and stuff, and they all know what they're talking about. It's been fun. It's been a good group of people. It's been a good 6 weeks, really.
It's quite informal. Like you don't feel like you're back in school or in college or anything like that. You're talking to people who've been in the industry for years, and basically having a conversation with them.
They seem to go out their way a bit to help some of the office staff as well with the, putting in CVs and things for jobs. They seem to really genuinely want people to be in work after the course, so that's good. I definitely would want to be working in engineering. My ideal job probably would be in engineering anyway, some form of sector of it. Probably electronic, but welding, any sort of fabrication as well. Preferably just anything where you're getting paid ridiculous amounts an hour.
Our dream job would probably be something to do with gunsmithing. I really am interested in the fabrication process of making new parts for old antique firearms and stuff like that.
I like making things. I'm a hands-on sort of person, and I would like to be in some sort of fabrication job. I don't want to be in a production line type job. I'd like to be in something where you've got a good variety and perhaps a bit of design of things and using your own initiative as well when you're working on things.
An apprenticeship. For my interviews tomorrow, actually. I've had one interview, called back for a second, so hopefully I'll be doing that.
Finding some work in engineering, hopefully I can find it somewhere closer, but if I can't, I'll be trying to pass my driving test and I can go further for engineering work.
I've been offered another 2 days next week on the TIG welding course, so I'm going to take that on, and hopefully with the help of CEATA and the job centre I'll be able to find the job that is my ideal job.